welcome to the creative page. I'm so glad you're here. I just posted these construction prints on my Etsy shop, and your purchase comes with 3 designs, versions with and without a background in multiple sizes, and a link to an editable version in Canva. So you really get a lot of bang for your buck with this listing. These prints are perfect for a kid's room, playroom, nursery, or basement. So I thought I'd do a quick tutorial. So when you purchase one of my digital download art products, you'll receive a PDF that you can download immediately after purchase. This PDF will have 1 or more clickable links, which will take you to your files. If your files are simply a download and print, you'll access them via Google Drive, similar to this. You will be able to download all the available files that came with your purchase from there. You don't need a Google or Gmail account to open or download these in Drive either. Open your files in Canva. While you don't need a Canva account to open and edit the files, you will need one in order to download them after editing. You can create an account for the free version of Canva in order to do this. You can change the font style, you can change the color of the font. Once you're done editing and you're happy with your words, then you'll click share and download, and then you'll choose JPEG and then download again. And that will download your files to your device. Once you have your downloaded files, either from Google Drive or Canva, then you can print them on your home printer, or you can send them to a local or online print shop to have them printed. One thing to remember with digital downloads, it's important to make sure that you do not try to print one of the files in a larger size or a different ratio than it's originally meant for. If you do this, the quality will be changed and most likely the resolution won't be as good. You can utilize the included ratio chart if you would like to resize any of the files. Thanks for watching, and thanks for shopping on the creative page.